This is the performance summary for the week ending on June 27th. Let's begin by inputting the starting and ending balances. Starting balance was on Friday, June 20th. And the ending was on Friday, June 27th. So this week was a very good week. I made over $1,000 in profit, which is a portfolio gain of 3.95%. And these were the 5 trades that were done, and they were each weighted at 20%. So we had a full allocation this week. First trade was booking, where the stock was up 6.61% from the open of Monday through the close of Friday. And this is what the trade looked like. So we trade Weekly Reversion as a dip buying strategy, and this is the dip that it picked up on. And so we got in here on Monday morning and sold here on Friday. It's a very good trade. And over the long term, this is what the stock for booking looks like. This is going back to 1999. This is going back to 2015. And the next trade was Gilead, where it was up 1.7% in the portfolio. And this is what the trade looked like. So it picked up on this dip here, got in on the Monday, exited on the Friday here for a profit. And over the long term, this is what Gilead looks like. Next trade was Meta. That was the best trade of the week. That one was up 7.3% in the portfolio. And so it picked up on this dip here from here to here and bought here, sold here. And here is Meta's chart over the long term, starting in 2012. The fourth trade was Servicenow. That one was up 5.25. And it participated in this sharp V-type sell-off and snapback. So we got in here, got out here. And the long-term chart. And the last one was T, which is AT&T. That one was up 1% in the portfolio. So here's the dip that it measured, and here's the trade. And this is the long-term graph for AT&T. Now let's input the ending balance into our cumulative tab. So this is the chart of the accumulated profit in the account since going live a year ago, last June 2024. And the thin gray line is the actual account balance, or the actual account P&L cumulative, which includes the current version of the strategy and the previous version. And the yellow line is the current version, sort of on a pro forma basis, had we been trading this version since the start. So it's performing quite well. And let's also look at the equity curve and performance over the long term. This is the back test going back to 1994. Annualized return of Weekly Reversion is around 20%, where the S&P is 8.5. And month to date, Weekly Reversion is up 7.1%, putting it at 14.1 year to date. And here's the graph of the equity curve. Weekly Reversion is purple, and the benchmark is the gray line, S&P 500. So that's the performance review for week ending June 27th for Weekly Reversion. If you want to learn more about the strategy, please visit my website. Link is below. Thank you.